Hey guys, do you like to watch videos? Sure you do. Would you like to make money watching videos? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how, so stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 in 1 hour watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So it'll be in your best interest right now to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and give me a like and drop a comment down below. And please share this video everywhere. Now, before I get into the method, I want to tell you about the free money giveaway. So to become eligible for the free money giveaway, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below where it says click here to become eligible for the free money giveaway. Follow those instructions and you can be the next winner once I reach 6,000 subscribers. And please guys, watch this video all the way to the very end, because something is going to pop up on the screen that you need to type down in the comments below. Reason being, this is going to help you increase your chances to winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at Netflix. So you heard of Netflix. Netflix is the biggest streaming service in the world as far as movies, TV shows, and all kind of other programs. Now, you guessed it. You're going to be working for Netflix. And what I'm going to do is show you the name of the position that you're going to apply for. And I'm going to show you how much they pay. So let me go ahead and show you right now. So the name of the position is Netflix Tagger. And this is what a tagger is. So taggers are a 30-person strong team at the streaming giant whose job is to watch Netflix content and tag each film and episode with relevant metadata. That metadata directly affects every show and movie you choose to watch. Isn't that something, guys? Don't that sound fun? I mean, you're going to get to look at the movie, but you're going to be doing these little simple little things while you watch a movie. Now, let me tell you how much they're going to pay to do this job. So the average Netflix salary for tagger or writers is $69,906 per year. So that's the average, guys. Isn't that something? And you could also make a different amount. And I'm going to show you the different amount that you're going to make. Now, as you can see here, guys, you can get paid to watch Netflix videos also from $5 to $50 daily. Now, so it's two different ways that you can make money. But when you become a tagger, that's when you make the most money. This right here, you're just going to be watching maybe for an hour or two and you get $50 off the bat, which is not bad at all. But what you want to do is try to be a tagger. Now, what I'm going to do is take you back to Netflix website and show you how to look for this job. All right, I'm back at the Netflix website. So what you're going to do is come here and put in tagger. And it's going to pop up right here. So if any tagger jobs were available, they will pop up here. Now, the only thing is this job is very, very popular because you don't have to have any type of experience to become a tagger. So that's why it's not popping up right now, because no positions available at this time, but positions can be available at any time on any day. So I just want to let you know about this, so you can come on here and check every day if you want to, or every other day. Positions might pop up. As soon as they pop up, you need to jump on that ASAP. So that's all I want to tell you guys about this Netflix job, that you can make some good money watching videos on Netflix. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please, guys, share this. I'm really asking you guys to share this all around the internet, because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free here in 2021. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, since you made it all the way to this point, I need you to go ahead and type this number down in the comments that pops up on the screen. This is going to increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of this month of January. So write that number down, share this video. Let's get to 6,000 by January 31st, guys, because I want to give away this free money to 2 people. So let's do it. Share it everywhere, guys. Share this video, please. All right, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Before I go, I need to tell you this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace, and have a prosperous day.